Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your WPS docs to make it only several or only some of section on a landscape page, but the other one is on the portrait mode. So I've done this before, so I will revert it to the beginning. So this is only the dummy text. Over here, I found the lorem ipsum, the common dummy text. So what you have to do, for instance, I want to this text, all these texts into a portrait page. What you have to do on the first beginning of your text, you just go to the page layout and then click this breaks, and then you click next page section break. That's one. And then we have to isolate the other end of the portrait. So for instance, on this from this text into this end would be portrait. So after you put your cursor on here, you click this breaks again and then click next page section break, and then you just put your cursor anywhere on your desirable landscape orientation, and then you just click on this page layout orientation and then click landscape. That's it. That's very simple. So I have on one single file two orientation, the portrait and the landscape orientation. If you want to delete only one page only, you just do it like that. That's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Visit the subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.